Hello, John. In today's class, we'll learn how to get remote sensing data from USGS EarthExplorer. For this, initially, we have to know what is uh, remote sensing. Basically, remote sensing is a type collecting information way on the Earth's surface without touching the Earth's surface directly. This is the process where that is follow in remote sensing. Initially, the energy came from sun sources, then the target place, most places or things. From there, the Landsat take the imaginary image, and then after pre-processing station, the after doing some analysis, it goes to application procedure and the common application of remote sensing. We can use it for agricultural purpose, forestry, water, urban planning, and disaster management, and finally the climate and environmental purpose, just to see the temperature, pollution, and then surface changes. Basically, the picture captured by some different sensor. This is known as Landsat or land satellite. And Landsat satellite is a program developed by NASA and USGS. They provide longest continuous space-based record of Earth's surface since 1972. From 1972, it takes or starts its satellite its operation. Initially, Landsat 1, the duration or time period from 1970 to 1978, and Landsat 2 from 1975 to 1983. And this is the time frame from the remaining Landsat. But due to an accident in Landsat 6, so we cannot get any. There was no time frame for time frames Landsat 6. Like if you need satellite image or DEM data for 2020, then definitely you have to go here. And in 2020, the Landsat 8 and Landsat 7 both are operating. So you can take image from Landsat 7 or Landsat 8 also. So this is the time frame for all Landsat. And for taking this dataset, basically we use USGS Earth Explorer, and there are two options. One is level 1 and another is level 2. And in level 1, the raw sensor data is available, and we need further processing for any calculation or analysis. On the other hand, for level 2, we can use it for land cover, vegetation, or changes detection. This is user friendly dataset. So we will collect the data from level 2. So initially in search bar, you can search Earth Explorer. This is the Earth Explorer website. Initially, you have to log in here. This is a very easy procedure to log in here. Without login, you cannot do anything. So I already logged in here. So after login, you can collect the dataset from here. Initially, this is the search criteria. You can use geocoder, and the another option is also shape file upload. But in general cases, we use geocoder. And in geocoder, selecting a geocoding method, there are three options. You can use address or places from Google. Like you can search any places name, like Padma River, Bangladesh, and show. Here is the places for Padma River. You can place here automatically. The area is selected. This is our Padma River. And there are also another options without, like I cleared here, press crossword. Then you can use polygon to select any places. For getting data of these places or your study area, there are another option also, circle from latitude to central longitude, or you can place here. This is your, maybe you can use circle or polygon portion from your study area. And the another option is from address places or by search bar. Then here is the data range, from which range of data you need. And definitely cloud cover, you have to use zero cloud cover, because when the cloud cover has, at the time we cannot get the proper or clear images. So we try to use the cloud cover is zero. Then months, like if you want to changes in your study area in 2020 and 2010, so the months you used for 2010, you have to use the same months for 2010 and the 2020. You can capture for all months, or if you need any specific months, that you can use that specific months for all years. Otherwise, if you changes the months for 2010 and 2020, then due to cloud cover changes, the result carried some errors. Okay, then so initially, now we will try to download some demo file from this USGS EarthExplorer. So initially I select here Google Places, then this is our for the river. I press here, and the data range. If it further stays, I select. When I select satellite images. So I think it is not needed to year to select year and the months, all months. Okay, now I need only January months data, let's say. So I select here January. Then the cloud cover, I already make it zero. So okay. You can change here per sheet how many image shows. Then the dataset, from where the dataset is available. I all in the first portion of classes we already used that, we use Landsat dataset, and here is the Landsat collection level 2 and level 1. You can and we know that level 2 dataset is gives more proper places, and here is the Landsat 8 to 9. So we place here. Then in the additional criteria, you didn't know, I mean, nothing is needed in additional criteria. You can go to the other section. This is the image that is captured in date 2026 year, January months, and 25 day. Here is the sun. This is for 2023, 2023, and 2022, and here is the 2029. So this is the footprint from this portion of area the data is captured, and this is the browser overview. You can see the condition of your selected areas here. This is footprint, and this is mm, browse overlay, and from here you can download the dataset. But sometimes, like in I use Polygon. This is the selected polygon for year. And mm, browser overlay of one figure and one image. This is the another image. Sometimes this is our study area, but if use this portion or this image, then this the area of this image is here. This is not our in our area, in our study area. So you have to select. So this covers almost fully the study area. But if your study area is here, like from here, sometimes you have to use several. Sometimes you need to merge to imaginary. This is known as a mosaic. In our further class, we will learn how to do mosaic of two images. This is our one. This is our one image, and let's say this is our second image. So if you want to merge this and this image, then definitely you have to do mosaic. In our further class, we will try to learn how to do this. And from here, you can download pressing here the data for which date you want to download. So I press here download, and level to surface reflection with 30 files, and here is the 40 files. Then product option, you can download it. It's almost 862 MB. The file is downloaded as file is downloading here. You can see it takes a long time. In then after downloading, the file already I download. This is a compressed archive folder. And when you want to work with this file, definitely you have to extract initially or archive. For this, you can select based where you want to save this file and extract this file, and it will take some minutes. And this is the file that I downloaded. You can import this file at ArcMap and do further analysis in ArcGIS or ArcMap. So thanks for watching. We closed here for today's session.